Hey, it's my dad's 70th birthday. Check out what I got him. So look, in 1971, Mom and Dad, they go out and buy brand new Honda motorcycles. Dad gets a CL350 Scrambler in blue. Mom gets a CB in dark red. And they're out there for years, riding around having a good time. As always, life gets in the way. They put the motorcycles away, and other things have to take it priority. So they haven't ridden since then, since about 1976. Dad always talked about some of the great road trips that he's taken, all the fun that he's had. And so I thought it would be a lot of fun to find the same exact bike that he had, new back in 71, do a cosmetic restoration on it, and surprise him on his birthday. So here it is, 1971 blue CL350 Scrambler. So when I had the idea of buying a bike for Dad, I knew it had to be the right year, right model, right color. It took about 2 months or so to find this bike. Found it in Montana, a gentleman out there named Mike. We struck a deal. I bought the bike, I had it shipped out here to Delaware. And that's when I started doing some cosmetic restoration work on it. I needed new side covers, so I found reproductions. Had the side covers in the tank painted and striped. New headlight bucket from Dime City. New shocks. Carburetors. Cleaned it up. Made some adjustments to the clutch, to the brakes, to the chain. And now got a pretty nice bike that runs really well, starts real easy, and is a lot of fun to ride. Or what were you doing in 1971? Take a guess.
Working.
Working. You're probably working. What were you doing in your free time in 1971?
Working. We didn't have no free time.
Oh, you had no free time?
You and your wife doing?
Oh, yeah.
No, she went fishing.
All right. I'll tell you
were
what.
fishing,
So,
but
this early birthday present, something we wanted to do for a while. So go ahead and take off your blindfold, and this is for you. Check it out! What do you think?
Behind the street scrambler.
Yeah! The 350 Scrambler.
Where'd you find that?
Hawaiian blue.
Hawaiian blue.
Where'd you find that?
Montana.
So what am I supposed to do? Get killed?
Well, you have life insurance. Hop on!
That's right. Look at this.
Good Hawaiian.
Think?
I think Mom's trying to go for insurance.
Yeah. Life insurance? Yeah.